Ryan. Welcome back to Tip Tuesday and happy March 2023.
Happy March, everybody.
I know, I can't believe it. And Ryan, we've got some really exciting news to announce today. So on February 22nd, 2023, the Department of Housing and Urban Development through the FHA announced a 30 basis point reduction to the annual mortgage insurance premium charged to home buyers who obtain an FHA insured mortgage. Really exciting. So what does that mean for home buyers?
Yeah, I'm always excited to talk about saving our clients money. So this was a big one. So yeah, FHA, they reduced their mortgage insurance premium from 0.85% to 0.55%. So FHA loans are predominantly used for first-time home buyers. It's a 3.5% down payment. You could go as low as a 580 credit score. So it's a great program. We do it quite a bit here at Waterstone. And really just to kind of put that into perspective of how much that reduction in mortgage insurance is going to save you on a $400,000 purchase, that's about $128 a month. On a $500,000 purchase, it's about $160 a month. And so these reduced payments are going to be rolled out on March 20th. Anything that's actually closed on or after that date. So anything really signed right now is usually a 30-day closing. So you will be after that date. So anybody looking to buy right now could take advantage of these lower premiums and the lower mortgage payment.
That is a huge savings for people, and we do love to share that information. So thank you, Ryan, for discussing that and going over it, and yeah, giving an idea of what those savings are going to look like for buyers. So if anybody has any questions out there, definitely we always put our contact information in the show notes. But you guys, this is huge. So reach out with any questions. Thank you, Ryan, as always.
Thank
You guys
you,
have a great rest of your week. See you next week.
everyone.
Bye.